How's it going, YouTube? So today we're going to do a damage report on the E350Z. It's been about a month since I've really messed with it or looked at it really, but thankfully it wasn't as bad as it could have been. So let's take a dive into that. As you walk up to the back of the car, you can definitely tell that my hatch has seen better days. That was me, pulling it out with a pair of pliers, trying to at least get it just to open up. My bumper's kind of messed up, no big deal. My turn signals got kind of knocked out of place. Kind of sucks. A few chips on the taillights. Whatever. Who cares? But two big things to notice is my exhaust, for one. As you can see, it got a little bit bent up, which kind of sucks, but new exhaust can be bought. Whatever. The next one is one you can't really see very well. Oh! The bash bar took a massive hit. It is crunched up in there, up in here. It's bowed out on this side, pushing the bumper out. It did its job, that's for sure. So basically, with that, I'm gonna have to get a new bash bar at some point in time. I'm still gonna rock that one because I have it and it will still jack up the car. Won't do very well for a rear-end collision anymore, but at least I can jack up the car with ease. I'm gonna get a new exhaust system for it. I mean, that one's bent up. It's kind of kinked up by the Y pipe, so I might as well just get rid of it. Also found out while I was running with Juan and have him absolutely just leave me in the dust with just exhaust on his car, there's something still wrong with mine. I've done the ECU reflash. I've done everything I can think of to try and get this thing in tip-top shape. Compression's good on the engine. So I'm pretty sure that I have a clogged cat. I'm gonna have to take care of that somehow, either with new cats, test pipes, or just knocking the middles out of them. Don't know yet. Don't take my word for it. I'm gonna get that one fixed, but as of right now, this is the update. There's nothing too special going on. It's basically the off season now. I'd like to go to the Houston Police Academy and drive with Lone Star, but at this point in time, I do not have the money for it, and the car's not set up or ready to go back out to another event. I'll keep you guys updated with what's going on. Stay tuned. Have a good one, guys.